And then one after the other, there were 10 gurus. Guru Nanak was the first one in 1469, and when he was dying, he vested his spiritual authority in the second guru. Then there was the third guru, and finally, when the third final guru, the 10th guru, when he was leaving this earth, he vested his spiritual authority in the religious text that has been prepared earlier by the 5th guru, and that was known as Guru Granth Sahib. So he said that from now on, 1708, that was the year when he passed away, he said from now on, the Guru for the Sikhs will be this religious scripture. And that is why Sikhs call it Guru Granth Sahib. It is the ultimate eternal authority of the Sikhs, that religious scripture. And interestingly, this scripture has writing of not only the Sikh gurus, but also the religious people of that time belonging to the other faith. You know, at that time in India, the most dominant religion was Hinduism. And even now, 80% of the people in India are Hindus. And the second most dominant religion in India at that time was Islam, which still is the case. And so the religious scripture of the Sikhs, Guru Granth Sahib, has the writing of the 6 gurus of the Sikhs, Guru number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and later on writing of the 9th guru was also added by the 10th guru. Plus it has writing of Hindu saints, philosophers, and Muslim faqirs. All in all, there are 35 of them. So that it has writing of 35 different religious people. That's why, you know, a lot of the Sikhs will call this religious text of the Sikh as a universal scripture. Because not only it has writing of the Sikh gurus, but it also has the writing of the people belonging to other faith. Especially there are those writing which were in congruence with what our gurus were saying. And the other interesting fact about this religious scripture is that it is not an autobiography of any guru, and neither a biography. It is basically the philosophy of Sikh faith as to how a Sikh should live his life or her life, and what kind of spiritual practices one should follow in life so as to achieve the ultimate salvation, what every faith basically looks for. So that when you come to a religious place of the Sikhs, you will find this religious sacred text to be stationed on a platform. We call it throne, higher than anything else in this sanctuary, so that when people walk in, they will first bow in front of that religious scripture, and then they will take their places on the ground.